So today I decided that I would cover my Bible. I've been wanting to cover it. I have not been able to find a book cover that I like, but I had these leather scraps that I've been having from Hobby Lobby for a while. And in my mind, it turned out great. And it actually did. So I got some E6000 glue, a little sandpaper, and my imagination. I wanted it to look a little boho, a little western with a little bling, which is my style. So I used what I had. I'm still on the fence about my tabs. I'm thinking I might keep them because I kind of like that mixed aesthetic that it has going on, but we'll see. So here's the video. Let me know what you think. So here is the final reveal. I still need to update my tassel. I'm still on the fence about my tabs. I kind of like that look. I don't know. I'm just a little different like that though. So let me know. What do y'all think?